Hello guys, let's solve this problem, or let me show you how to solve problems like this. Okay, we are given that g of x equals to or produces 2x plus 8, f of x produces x plus 2, and p of x produces 7 minus x. Find g of p of f of x. Okay, this is composite function and I'm going to take it slow, so if you think you're a fast learner, you can just fast forward. Okay, now let's break it down. This simply means this is a composite function, as I said earlier. G of p of f of x, basically something like this. So now this, we have to see this one first, the inner part here. Okay, which simply means, this simply means f of x here. So what does that mean? Let's go back to p of x. P of x says p of x, which can also be written as this, so instead of this way, says 7 minus x. But now if we have p of f of x here, simply means that wherever you see x for p of x, you put the f of x value. Okay, so that means this is equals to 7 minus, instead of x, you're now going to put the whole of f of x, and f of x is x minus 2. So this is x minus 2. Okay, so this is 7 minus x, which is the p of x. Now if we simplify, this becomes 7 minus x minus this, and this becomes opposite of f of x is plus 2. You see, that's how I misbehave sometimes, plus 2. So this and this now becomes minus 2. So your answer here becomes 5. 7 minus this minus x. So that's now your p of f. Okay, this p of f becomes now 5 minus x. But now you have again g of p of f here. So the last thing, we have g, this is now like this, p of x, basically. Okay, but p of x now is what? 5 minus x. So that means for g of x function, wherever we see x, we are going to put 5 minus x. Okay, and g of x is given to us as what? G of x as 2x plus 8. Wherever we see x, we put 5 minus x. So this becomes 2 into 5 minus x plus 8. So your answer becomes, this is 10 minus 2x plus 8. We add this by this, becomes 18 minus 2x, which is your answer. Okay, that's very easy, very easy. Anyways, share this video, like and comment. Okay, I always like to give people something to do. Okay, so let's see. Now if I change this one, x plus 8, and this I will say x plus 3, and this one I will say 7 minus 2x. I want you to find me what is the g of p of, okay, no, we are going to change. So this is p, and this is now going to be your g. Okay, so give me the solution to this one. You're given that g of x equals to produces x plus 8, f of x, x plus 3, and p of x is this. Find p of g of f of x. Let me see the answer. That's the only way you can learn. Okay, see you guys in my next video. I hope this has been helpful. Bye bye.